here on Class 85, Singapore's #1 English radio station. 14 minutes past 5. It is a Wednesday. We are wrapping up your workday. It's Jean and Ed.
Yeah, let's do some guessing, shall we?
Guess the cartoon with Jean.
Okay, so if you're new to this, haven't quite heard this before. Basically, there's a whole bunch of what would be evening peak hour traffic sounds. And there's a little clip of a song embedded under it. So you just gotta guess what song it is. I just put that together about 10 minutes ago.
Actually, when you played it to me, I found it quite hard. Now listening